Hello, guys. I had a quick question. Maybe it's not even a question. I was scrolling. I was looking for YouTube thumbnails ideas on how to make my thumbnails better so that people can click on them and the usual. And I stumbled upon this channel, and this is what she's really making. The YouTube channel. She's making like 4 to 12,000 a month, 16-minute videos, and an idea came out. Why don't I start doing my thumbnails like this? What do you guys think? Oh, this one is good. This one has 12K views. Maybe I should try that one. Maybe I should try something like this. Let's keep scrolling. Or maybe even like this. There's one over here. That one is cool. Let's keep scrolling. Let's see. Oh, this one. Or maybe even this one, holding my rod. Or even this one. Would you guys like to see me like that? This is just an idea, guys. I don't know. I'm just browsing, and this just happened to pop on my search. Ooh. I might start doing videos, thumbnails like that. I might even upload this video with a thumbnail like this. What do you guys think? Might even do it. It's really cool. Well, that's all, guys. I just wanted to share what Ooh, look at this one. That one. Yeah, maybe I'm just doing it wrong. Maybe this is the way to go. And probably just gonna start wearing less clothes, I guess. Alright, guys, that's all for today. I just had a question. I don't know what you guys think. Should I start doing my thumbnails like that, or should I just keep it regular like every other regular YouTuber with a dream? Alright, deuces.